Welcome back to Granny Story Time. As I told you, this will be a series of facts about animals and land animals and aquatic animals. Today, do you know who is with me? Bear. Bear is a wild animal and land animal. Everybody likes teddy bear, the stuffed toy, very soft, cute, beautiful teddy bear. Teddy bear is actually a miniature form of bear. Do you know how that bear got the name Teddy? I think in 1901, United States of America had a president. His name was Roosevelt. His pet name was Teddy. They went for bear hunting on the bank of Mississippi. But Roosevelt didn't shoot any bear. He took pity on the bears. And meanwhile, he saw one injured bear and he took pity on that bear. And there were cubs also. And it was so cute. The baby bear cub was very, very cute. And he was so fascinated to have one. And another hunter, he gave one bear cub and named as Teddy, the pet name of Roosevelt. So after that, this teddy bears became very popular, and I think almost all kids will play with a teddy bear in their life, in their childhood. I think you also like. And so now we'll just talk something about bears. Bears are large and powerful animals. Most bears are black or brown in color, but polar bears are white in color. They live in polar regions and they adapted the color of their eyes. Bears are omnivores. You know what is omnivores? There are three varieties: omnivores, carnivores, and herbivores. Carnivores they eat only meat, and herbivores they eat only plants and vegetables, etc. And omnivores they eat both meat and plants. Bears like to eat a lot of fish. Bears like to make their dens in caves, under fallen trees, or rock piles. Do you know the bears will go into hibernation the whole winter? During the winter, they mostly hibernate. During this time, they get cubs also. Then, after the winter, they come out and they lead the normal life. Bears can run very, very fast. They are also good at climbing. Bears are strong swimmers. They use their legs to paddle swiftly through water. They'll overtake fish also. Bears have great memory. They are also very intelligent animals. Bears have brilliant sense of smell and hearing. And so they can smell honey and all from very, very far. They can detect the distinct smell of human beings also. So when you go to forest, you have to be very careful because they'll get the distinct smell of human beings. There are almost 10 species of bear: grizzly bear, panda bear, sun bear, Andean bear, North American black bear, short-faced bear, Asian black bear, etc. And out of this, grizzly bear is very, very dangerous. It will attack people. So now children, tomorrow I will come with another animal, aquatic or land animal. Okay. Bye then. Take care.